It's that time of the year, guys, where we clean the areas that have been neglected a bit. If you're new, my name is Sarah and I'm a stay-at-home mom with 2 little girls. One is 3 and the other just turned 1. Here on my channel, you'll see lots of cleaning videos, organization tips, and various hauls and daily routines. So if you enjoy those types of videos, consider subscribing and becoming a part of our family. Happy spring cleaning! I have these light curtains hanging right by my kitchen table, and I've noticed that specks of food have landed on them. And a quick trick that I've come to find out is a baby wipe actually cleans things like this very easily. So what I did is I just grabbed 1 or 2 baby wipes and went to it. Fortunately, only one curtain really had food specks on it, so it didn't take too long. But this was something that was staring at me for many months now, so why not get it done before spring comes? This is a before shot of my landing. I have a very tall foyer, and so dust collects all over the landing on the stairs, and I'm just showing you just how dusty it has gotten. I actually do clean this maybe 3-4 times a year, but as you know, spring is coming and I just want that to be done. So here's a before shot of just how dirty it has gotten. I like using this Voluminous duster. It is a removable head that goes in the dishwasher into the washing machine, and it does a really good job of collecting the dust and not letting it like fall out that many dusters do happen to do, but this one really collects it and lets it stay in there until you're ready to wash it, and then after you wash it, it's brand new and use it over and over again. So it actually is a nice reusable option, because I know that you can also use those Swiffer, dry pads. Those work really well too, but as you know, you have to throw those away. So this is a nice reusable option for dusting. I didn't get a chance to do this yet, but my plan is to add some Old English oil to the wood trim around my landing now that it's dust free, because the oil prevents it from getting dusty throughout the year. So it actually kind of gives you a more of a break in between cleaning. So if you have wood like areas like this in your home, consider putting that oil on there because it propels the dust from landing on it. That way you don't have to clean it as much. Here is the very, very dirty after result. So this thing works great. Moving on into my kitchen, I'm only going to use water on a towel to clean the front part of each drawer and cabinet. That is what the contractors recommended after we got our kitchen done a year ago actually. So any harsh chemicals on the cabinets could possibly cause the paint to chip and to slowly wear and, be more damaged over time. So all I do is wet a towel and gently wipe off any kind of fingerprints or food or anything like that to prevent any kind of further damage. So I have two glass cabinets right next to the stove, and I have to clean the glass with some kind of glass cleaner, and I enjoy this Dollar Tree window cleaner. It's just a vinegar and water mixture, and it really leaves your glass, your mirrors, things like that streak free, and it's very affordable because it's from the Dollar Tree. So I actually have never cleaned these glass cabinets yet since the kitchen was only a year old. So as you know, it's spring, so I thought why not give it a nice shine because all of my nice dinnerware is in there. So I want to make sure that the windows are clean so you can actually see it. Our glass stove is about 8 years old and the stove top is very, very dirty. I do have a few permanent scratches on there. However, most of the things can be, scrubbed off using this Wayman glass stove top cleaner. The only complaint I have about this cleaner is that it just requires a lot of elbow grease depending on how dirty the stovetop is. I do have friends that have used the drill tool attachments to do this part, and I still haven't gotten that because my husband needs a new drill in general. So we haven't bought those attachments, but I'm so looking forward to it because I don't want to scrub this hard anymore trying to clean my glass stove. Because our home is 98% hardwoods, dusting seems to be the chore that I spend the most time on. But maybe it's different for you. Leave a comment below and let me know what spring cleaning task you spend the most time on. One of the reasons we bought this home were these built-in bookshelves. I love them, and I love displaying photos and things like that, and also the books that we enjoy reading and looking at. But as you know, with bookshelves comes a lot of dust, and so this was the perfect time to do this. We are planning on making all of these bookshelves a white paint or a white wallpaper. I haven't decided, but the original color of these bookshelves were all like that orangey wood. Even the fireplace was an orangey wood color. So we've really done a big transformation in the living room already. And this little piece where we want to maybe add wallpaper to the back and paint the sides and shelves all white is one of those projects that we're kind of like looking further down the line at, but hopefully one day we'll get there. Duster that it has an extender rod to clean my TV. We do this a few times a year as well, so it's really nice to use, especially if you have a TV that's mounted on the wall. This isn't a cleaning tip, however, I have all of these door stops that were original to the home, and our home is about 20 plus years old, and I've been meaning to replace them all. And this year I just got the gumption and did it. So I bought these door stops from Home Depot. We have about 6 or 7 to replace. I've already replaced 3. I'm waiting to replace the other 3 after we paint the trim. Heading back to my foyer, I'm going to use that extendable duster again to go on top of my wood molding above the door and on my picture window. I noticed when I was upstairs just how much you could see all that dust, so this really helped. Also, I'm going to dust the chandelier while I'm up there. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and click the bell so you get notified whenever I upload a video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!